IKEA is one of my favorite shops because you can find so many furniture items that are low budget. While most of them are pretty boring, there are multiple ways you can transform them. Today, I want to share with you 10 lovely IKEA hacks you can use to decorate your home. 1. Marble side table. This hack is another great way of using marble contact paper to transform IKEA furniture. This time, we use the IKEA Gladum tray table, marbled paper, and this metallic gold spray paint. It's super easy to make. Simply spray paint the tray table frame, wrap the table with the marble contact paper, and assemble. The key thing to remember here is when assembling, flip the tray upside down. That way, it looks more like a table rather than a tray. How's that for an instant added elegance to the room? 2. Bookshelf Cat Hangout. Isn't this a super cute and brilliant idea? A Swedish company designed this basket specifically to suit the base of an IKEA Billy bookshelf. This hack is super easy, and you don't even need to do any modifications. Just slot the basket into the shelf, and that's it. Don't you wish our human hangouts were just as easy to make? 3. Floating basket planners. I love the natural flowy feel of these DIY floating basket planners. It may look hard to make, but it's really incredibly easy. Hover over this page to find the guided tutorial on how to make this eye-catching wall decor that would fit any room of the house. 4. Stylish open shelf. Would you believe me if I told you that this bookshelf was made from plate holders? Yes, they're made from the inexpensive IKEA Ospit bamboo plate holders. Simply mount them onto your wall with these Stronghold commando strips. Add a few painted wooden slabs, and decorate to your heart's content. The best thing about it is the holder pegs double as hanging racks for coats, ties, and so much more. Versatile and inexpensive. What more can you ask for? 5. Decorative plate rack. If you have a dull, empty wall in your kitchen, why not bring it to life with a decorative plate rack? The good news is, there's no need to do anything apart from getting yourself this IKEA Vadholma wall shelf. It comes available in black, so you don't need to worry about ruining your kitchen's color scheme. Black goes with almost any color. Fill it with your favorite decorative dishes and line the bottom hooks with mugs that bring out your character and style. 6. Skadis bathroom organizer. If your bathroom has limited storage space, the IKEA Skadis range could be your next best friend. The Skadis is a versatile organizational tool with a pegboard base. It has a wide range of containers, shelves, clips, and hooks, so you are free to design your bathroom's organization board. 7. IKEA RAST drawers hack for an elevated nightstand. An IKEA RAST chest of drawers hack is so appealing as the plain pine unit is crying out for a lick of paint. We love how Michelle transformed them into a cool, contemporary nightstand. 8. Transform an IKEA Billy bookcase into a fabulous dressing table area. Feel like a film star every time you get ready with this ingenious IKEA Billy bookcase hack by Robin. She used 2 Billy bookcases and 2 IKEA Oxford glass doors to create the ultimate IKEA hack, forming these dresser units. 9. IKEA cart for your desk setup. This IKEA cart will do for a perfect addition to your office space, especially if you have a wall desk. Just roll it under the desk and store all your documents, pens, notebooks, and other office supplies in there. It does for a beautiful design piece, and you can always move it to another room when inspiration hits. 10. DIY floating shelf. Who would have ever thought that chopping boards can be used as hanging planners? It's truly brilliant. I am annoyed I wasn't the one who thought of it first. To recreate this, you will need an IKEA Fastenera chopping board, brass rings, yarn, jewelry string, and a drill.